Welcome to the TaiyangNews and SNEC Solar Leadership Conversations. My name is Michael Schmela, and I'm the Managing Director of TaiyangNews All About Solar. And I'm very glad to have with me today Yunduan Cao, who's the Head of Branding and Global Marketing of Trina Solar, one of the leading companies, a pioneer in solar, who has been instrumental in pushing the solar industry where it is today. Yunduan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hi, Michael.
Hello.
Hello. So good to see you again.
Yes,
yeah.
It has been some time.
Yeah.
And now we see us here and next week again in Munich.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's right.
The solar world is small.
Yes.
Let's maybe start a little bit with technology. So over the past 2 years, as high efficiency cell technology has rapidly evolved, Trina has been consistently leading the 210 ecosystem environment, which was a big step actually when we moved to larger wafers, bringing costs down. So let's maybe talk first about standardization, because there were also other wafer sizes, and so there. So let's maybe start with standardization.
Yeah, okay, thank you for the question. So I think it's a very good question. Trina is actually started promoting the 210 technology platform starting from 2020. It's already 4 years here. It's actually, we are really leading this cell technology and the module technology, even in the system level. So we build the ecosystem and have the partners to develop the suitable inverters and like glass for the modules, like everything to make the industry development. But important things I want to say is only when the technology really benefits the customer, so sustainable development of the corporation is possible. And only when it benefits the industry ecosystem, the more partners and the industry player will join the ecosystem and join the development of future technology. So back to your question to the standardization. So I have some numbers. It's actually, I write down on the paper. So back to 2020, so Trina has promoting the 210 become the new industry standard. So it was 2020 in May. That's the first time. And in the same year, in November, Trina and 7 industry leaders, we signed the statement to promoting the 210 technology standardization, including the wafer, cell, and the modules. But at that time, so everything wasn't standard. So it's like everyone has a different size. There's still the 166 millimeters, 158, and many different sizes, which cause a lot of waste of the investment and as well as in the application for the customer to design the system is quite difficult. And so as the one milestone in 2021 in May, so the 210 module, the dimension of 210 module, we achieved the standardization. So so it's also written in the national, so in the paper that the module size dimensions is so every company should keep the same dimensions. So this is the first achievement. And the second is the 210R. So the new size of wafer, cell, and modules is in 2022. Also Trina. So we launched the 210R wafer, cell, and module to the market. It's actually to make everyone every player in the industry possible that when they don't have the most updated and advanced equipment, they still can upgrade their old capacity to the 210R to like the transfer time. And in 2023, in July, Trina and the other 70 industry leaders, we launched the 210R module standardization agreement. And so the middle size of the module become consistent. And last year in December, we also driven the industry and have all the industry partners to publish another agreement is to push the 700 watt plus module standardization and applications, and to make sure that when the industry come into the 700 watt air, that everyone still has the same size and those standard module size. So this is kind of what we have done of the standardization in the past 4 years. And it's Trina Solar takes the lead in module dimension standardizations, so including all the size and all the applications, like the large module size, medium module size, and the small format of modules. So this really fully unlocks the potential of the entire industry, fosters a mature industry chain and industrial ecosystem, and maximize the value of the customer and the value of the solar stations, power stations.
I think that's great that you took the leadership there, because I think that was really important, because at some point I think there was quite some confusion in the industry, and I think that's now greatly settled. Huh?
And I think especially overseas market and customers, they are maybe not following every step what we have done, but it's actually, but the product they are having at the end is standardized, which is really benefits for their system design and investment.
Okay, super. No, I think that's great. So, because there's so many technology development, and you've been also driving it on many levels, on cell, module, system levels. So let's maybe talk a little bit about cell developments, because
the future
high efficiency has been, or the efficiency has been increasing constantly, so it's getting higher and higher. Can you just let us know a little bit what about the developments at Trina in recent times?
So okay. So like everyone knows that in N-type cell modules is a mainstream now, and we think in the next few years the TOPCon is still mainstream. And according to the investment report from the third parties, that TOPCon investment value is far ahead when the perovskite technology developed and industrialized. So this is the first. And we adopted TOPCon technology early on in 2016 already, and so achieved the mass production. That's why Trina Solar's TOPCon we call iTOPCon, which is the industrialized TOPCon technology. And for the future, the tandem cell is being directions for the future breakthroughs. This is like industry common sense, but it still takes some time to achieve the mass production. And also there's a hot topic like HJT and BC technology. It's actually we also been exploring the HJT and the BC technology many years ago, and so we will showcase some latest results of our HJT and BC technology products at the exhibitions. So you are welcome to our booth and see our product. But I would say so the HJT of HJT not a problem. So it's not the mainstream technology yet. It's because of the the capex, the investment, and also some the materials to produce the modules. So we still need to find the more cost-efficient solution for the HJT. And for BC technology, it's aesthetically, it looks very nice. It's beautiful. It's no bus bar in front. It's pure black. But also because of the, so this technology is not that well developed yet. So there's only very few companies investing in developing this technology. So I think it still takes some time to really industrialize it. And also because of their back contact technology. So it's only limited applications. It's good for the rooftop, for the residential, maybe part of the, like the carport, some commercial projects. But for utility scale projects, the LCOE is the key, right? So the bifacial modules is more suitable for the utility scale project. Yeah. So which has a backside can generate more electricity. And so for energy storage, Trina Solar is actually starting the energy storage business in 2016. And now we have from the energy storage cell to the pack to cabinet, and the DC solution, also AC solution. So we kind of providing from the cell to the AC to the customer, which requires very high ability of a company, because it's actually energy storage is very complicated. So for the first part, from the cell pack to cabinets, is require the ability of the operations and the productions and the higher capex investment. And from the next step is from the DC solution to AC solution. Then it requires understanding of the grid, understanding of the electricity market of each region, and also to understanding of the like the PCS, EMS, BMS, which is the whole trends, right? And for Trina now, we have 12 gigawatt hour cell pack cabinet production capacity in Anhui province in China. And also we already delivered the DC as well as the AC cabinet solution. I think it's over 5 gigawatt hours to the global market. Yeah, it's already over 5 gigawatt hours globally. Also, so I want to mention it's so in the world, the country is different. Some country has very stable and strong electricity grid and has a wide application of energy storage. Some countries not. It really depends on the installation of renewable energy and the basic infrastructure of these countries, right? And so I want to take take some major energy storage system market like UK. We are already delivered over 1 gigawatt hour AC solutions to the UK customer. So with diversified applications like salary, service, the arbitrage, and the standalone energy storage system. And Trina Storage or Trina Solar is the top 3 energy storage integrator in UK last year already. So UK is a very typical market with very strong grid, and it's a major market for energy storage. So we already has the brand awareness, reputation, and we are we call that bankable of our product.
Which is great. So I think the UK is probably the most advanced storage market in Europe. So because they really have the regulation that you can earn simply some money with the services that storage simply can deliver. So that means, if I understood you correctly, is that you as a solar company also deliver basically storage solutions that are standalone and are being also installed without a solar system, right?
Yeah, that's a good question. So Trina Solar is actually, we start with solar in 1997, but after 10 years, in 20 years, after 2016, we also enter in the energy storage market. It's because when the, so our, like the mission, Trina Solar's mission is solar for all, right? Solar energy for all. But when the installation of renewable energy getting bigger and bigger, so it really requires storage as the necessary technology to help the state grid to solve these renewable energies. So energy storage is kind of the for the future or for the next years, energy storage is kind of the key technology to developing the whole renewable energy. And also our company visions is committed to leading the way in smart solar and energy storage, not only solar, even we call Trina Solar, but we have the energy storage brand is Trina brand. And also you can see we are launching the new brand slogan at the event. So tomorrow it's powering sustainability with smart solar and energy storage. So both, not only solar.
Okay, I think that's great, because storage is the essential key to bring solar to the next level. Huh?
Yeah.
So maybe let's or I don't know, talking about storage. So that means you really want to position yourself also as a storage system leader in this field. Huh?
Yeah, integrator. We are try to leading the smart solar and energy storage. Yeah.
Okay. So let's briefly talk towards the end about the market. I think we cannot disregard this, although we had amazing growth last year, so unprecedented growth worldwide, especially in China here, obviously, which carried most of the growth on its shoulders. But on the other hand, of course, I think supply was bigger than demand, although demand has been growing so much. So how do you see the changes in the market as Trina Solar, and how do you position yourself there?
Yeah, so first let's talk about the market. It's actually, I think there are three keywords this year for the market. So the first is the continuously evolution of the new technology. So the whole industry is still passionate. So all the leading companies are still investing in new technology development, as well as the industrialization of the new technology, which means that there are going to be new product, new capacity into the market and delivering the new latest technology to the market, to the customer. And also, like, there's also the outdated production capacity, which is not suitable for the market anymore. So we don't see the overcapacity like that. So the second word is the market scale is still keep growing. So we see this year it's going to be like 600 to 650.
Wow.
Yeah, gigawatt. So of course, with Chinese market being a major player globally, but there's also like many other regions like Europe and Middle East American. So this is also the other markets keep developing. Some are a little bit faster, and some are a little bit slowed down. It really depends. And the last is the increased global market challenge. Of course, all the companies, all the markets are facing a lot of challenges. I think there's a lot of discussion already in the today and yesterday. Yeah.
And in the end, actually, I think we are just, I think solar is only contributing around 5% to total electricity production. So that means the potential is still huge. Yeah. So that means the future will be bright.
That's good news.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.